12 unusual ways people have made $1 million. Making a lot of money is something practically everybody would love to do. There are people in the world who find creative ways to make millions of dollars all the time. In this video, we are going to be looking at 12 uncommon ways people have found to make $1 million. Number 1. Creating a vegan burger. Pat Brown is a chemist, environmental activist, and a serious vegan. His goal in life was to save the planet by changing the way people eat. So what he did was create a burger called the Impossible Burger. This burger isn't your typical burger though, it's made with no meat in it. Although it is meatless, the reason why people love it is because it looks and tastes like a regular burger. Today, his company is currently valued at over $2 billion. More and more people are starting to become vegan, so if you can come up with a plant-based alternative to a popular food and make it taste really good, you have the opportunity to make $1 million yourself. Number 2. Making a YouTube channel reviewing toys. The top earning YouTuber of 2018 according to Forbes wasn't somebody you would expect. The person it happened to be was a 7-year-old boy named Ryan. All he does in his channel is review kid toys like the new Toy Story 4 dolls. Doing this has made him $22 million in 1 year alone. He started reviewing toys at just 4 years old and now has 20 million subscribers. Not only does Ryan make money on YouTube, he also has partnerships with Hardee's Burger Chain and Wonderful Halos Moderns. On top of that, he also has his own toy line and show on Nick Jr. called Ryan's Mystery Playdate. Number 3. Creating weird art. Damien Hirst is a British contemporary artist who is known for his obsession with death. People seen this in his high-priced gruesome styles of art. He sold a tiger shark preserved in formaldehyde called The Physical Impossibility of Death in the Mind of Someone Living for $8 million in 2004. 3 years later, in 2007, he sold a diamond and platinum encrusted skull called For the Love of God for $100 million. This made him one of the world's richest artists alive. Art is a great way to make money because you can place your own value on your work, and there are people who will actually think it's worth that much and purchase it. So this is something you should consider if you're an artistic person. Number 4. Hunt for buried treasure. Mel Fisher is an avid diver and a treasure hunter who got really lucky one day when he, his son, and his crew found stacks of silver bars, chests of silver coins, gold, jewels, and thousands of other unique artifacts from a Spanish ship. Everything he found was worth $450 million. After going through a court battle with the Florida State Department, Mel was awarded 3/4 of it. You can find most of it at his museum today. This took him over 16 years to find the treasure, but his hard work was worth it in the long run. If you're looking to get into this, you can, because there is still treasure out there that is worth millions of dollars still. Number 5. Sell lesson plans online. People selling lesson plans online has become a big business. You can literally make a lesson plan on anything like workout lessons or teaching people how to make money online. There are many entrepreneur teachers out there doing this, making millions of dollars a year. So if you are extremely good at anything in life, you should consider making lessons about it. You can make a fortune in the long run. Number 6. Create a toy for kids. In 1986, an engineer saw that his kids struggled catching a regular ball. Because of this, he created a ball that was easier to catch named the Coach Ball. The ball is made of 2,000 squishy stringy and became a hit toy after a few years of selling a lot of balls. The creator's name is Scott Stillinger, and in 1996 he sold his ball to Hasbro for $166 million. Number 7. Play video games professionally. According to CNBC, kids are making millions in their teens and retiring by 30 from playing video games. Not only kids are making money, but grown men and women are as well. The way they make money is by streaming, receiving donations, and participating in tournaments that has grand prizes up to millions of dollars. Just recently, a 16-year-old won the Fortnite World Cup solos and received $3 million because of that. As you can see, gaming is big and can change your life, so if you're good at a game, you should consider taking it serious. Number 8. Create a social media page. Many people are making millions of dollars now because of social media. There are all types of Instagram pages that do this. Every page making money provides value to their followers. In return, they make money because of the large following that they have through ads and affiliate marketing. Most people have some type of social media, so you should consider thinking about ways that you can make money from it, because it is very possible to do this. Number 9, create a viral meme. Two friends named Eric and Kyrie created one of the first viral memes. This happened when they posted a picture of a chubby gray cat saying, "I can hash cheeseburger." This simple meme went viral and they both ended up selling their accompanying animal site, icanhashcheeseburger.com, for $2 million. So if you have any meme ideas, give it a shot. You never know, it might just go viral. Number 10, invent a miracle mop. In 1992, Joy Mangano was a single mom of 3 when she changed her life by selling her self-wringing mop. After that, she took off even more by creating the popular huggable hangers and Forever Fragrant. She has sold more than $3 billion in products globally. Her life story is told in 2015 hit movie Joy, starring Jennifer Lawrence. The advice she gave people was, you don't have to invent rocket ships. If it makes someone's life better, that's it. If you can think of anything simple that you can make someone's life better in any way, you should invent it or get someone else to invent it for you. Number 11, helping people meditate. Apps like Calm and Headspace are free to download, but have made the people that created them millions of dollars. The things that these apps does is simply reminds people to pause and breathe for 5 minutes. Meditation has been around for a long time, but these apps make it more enjoyable. On the Calm app, the actor Matthew McConaughey will help tell people a soothing bedtime story. The Calm app has made millions of dollars so far off of something so simple. Lastly, number 12, sell your old clothes online. Before you think about donating your clothes, you should consider selling it. A mother of 2 named Suzanne Canning started selling clothes on the side on a popular app called Poshmark and became the app's first $1 million maker. Her reaction to this was, "I don't understand how it happened. I went on the app to make a little money on extra clothes." Well, that little money she thought she was going to make ended up being a lot. So if she was able to make $1 million selling her old clothes, you might have a chance of doing the same thing. Hopefully you got some ideas from this video and actually use them. If you do, you can end up becoming the next millionaire. You never know. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and leave a like. Peace.